Good morning, you're watching NDTV 24/7. I'm Divya Vadva. We have a whole lot lined up for you, but first and foremost, our top story, our top focus is on the tragedy that has taken place in Uttar Pradesh's Hathras, where 116 people, including women and children, have been killed at a stampede that took place at a religious gathering in Uttar Pradesh yesterday. At least 106 women have been killed, 7 children among those who have died. Now, there were only 70 policemen who were deployed for a gathering which had 2.5 lakh people who had gathered for satsang in Hathras. Now, an FIR has been filed and NDTV has accessed the FIR, in which the police has also gone ahead and visited the ashram of the Bhole Baba. However, he is not an accused as far as the FIR is concerned. In the FIR, it has said that there were 2.5 lakh strong. There was a crowd that was as strong as 2.5 lakhs at that very satsang. The organizers blocked the devotees' exit from the second route. That is what the FIR has stated. A high-level committee has been set up to probe the lapses as far as the case that's been registered against the organizers. Do remember, they weren't allowed to leave because the Baba was first made to leave from the satsang before the devotees who had gathered there, which was in a large number. And it was the people who tried to get the last glimpse of the Baba. They wanted to go and bow their head before the Baba left. And that is what caused the commotion, and that is what caused the stampede, according to what we are hearing from our sources from the ground as well as the police. The organizers are responsible for what really took place. Now, the forensic team and the dog squad they have all present at the stampede site. The government, we did hear Yogi Adityanath, the Chief Minister of the state, announce a compensation of 2 lakh rupees each for the families of the dead and 50,000 rupees compensation for those who have been injured in that very unfortunate incident that took place in Hathras yesterday, where 116 people in all. And what we're really afraid of, this number can go up even further at that religious event in Hathras. And as we are talking about that FIR, the FIR has not suggested that it was the Bhole Baba, so-called Bhole Baba, who had organized that event, that satsang at Hathras. He is not the one responsible. The FIR clearly mentions it was the organizers who flouted the conditions based on which the permission for the religious gathering was given. Notably, the FIR does not name anyone else as an accused, not even the person due to which this satsang was taking place in the first place, but has been filed against the organizers of the event. Let's just listen into what the police has to say.
मुख्य सचिव महोदय ने शासन के जो निर्देश थे उसके बारे में आपको अवगत कराया है। इसमें जो भी व्यक्ति दोषी होगा, आयोजकों के द्वारा जो शर्तें एसडीएम साहब ने दी थी, उनका कितना पालन किया गया और क्या व्यवस्थाएं नहीं की गई, इन सभी चीजों को एफआईआर के बाद विवेचना के दौरान देखा जाएगा। एफआईआर दर्ज कराया जा रहा है और सभी दोषी व्यक्तियों के विरुद्ध कार्रवाई होगी। और जहां तक प्रशासनिक लैप्स की बात है, तो ऑलरेडी एडीजी जोन और यहां के मंडलायुक्त महोदया के द्वारा इसकी पूरी जांच की जाएगी और 24 घंटे के अंदर जो रिपोर्ट आएगी उसके आधार पे शासन कार्रवाई करेगा।
उर्मिला देवी।
और आप सत्संग में कितने बजे आए थे?
10 बजे।
और उसके बाद फिर आप वहाँ कब तक थे?
10 बजे वो 1:30 बजे ख़त्म हुआ है, तो 1:30 बजे थे वहीं आई हम।
तो जब सत्संग खत्म हो रहा था तब वहाँ पे क्या हो रहा था?
कछु ना है, वहाँ तो बैठे सब संगत आ रही भीतर से निकल करके आराम थे। जब जी बाबा चले गए वहाँ थे, जब भगदड़ी मची है वहाँ में।
तो भगदड़ कब मची वहाँ पर?
अब परमात्मा ही जाने। देखो आप लोग बनते बहन भैया निकल करके भाज रहे बाहर को, अपनी अपनी गार्डन पे जाए के था, भीड़ ही ज्यादा। हाँ,
आप अभी अस्पताल में क्यों हो?
अस्पताल में नो है कि हमें बताई वहाँ, जैसे हमने सबरे ढूंढ ली वहाँ।
तो फिर ने बताया कि तुम्हारी मम्मी खत्म हो गई, अस्पताल हो गई। घर में छोटे बच्चा है, मैं हूँ, एक छोटा भाई है। नंबर वाला है वो, मैं तो नंबर हूँ।
कौन आपके परिवार से थे?
मेरी घरवाली है राजकुमारी, ये मेरी लाली है भूमि।
आरोपी तो देखो हमें जो भोले गोए और यहाँ में सरकार की लापरवाही है, तो वहाँ व्यवस्था होती तो के बात ना होती।
व्यवस्था की लापरवाही। लगता है कि भोले बाबा की गिरफ्तारी होनी चाहिए पहले।
हाँ, गिरफ्तारी होनी चाहिए।
And of course, claims are being made that the organizers even tried to, destroy evidence. They tried to throw away the slippers of those who had gathered. Those are the ones who got injured, or those are the ones who lost their lives. Their slippers were thrown into the fields. Let's just listen into the political reactions coming in. Of course, the Prime Minister and the President, along with the Leader of Opposition, all have reacted to this, along with Akhilesh Yadav, who has gone on to say that lessons need to be learned from this event.
उस समय जब मंचीय कार्यक्रम संपन्न हो चुका होता है तो बताते हैं कि जब सत्संग के प्रवचनकर्ता वहां से मंच से उतर रहे थे तो उनकी तरफ अचानक भक्तों की भीड़ उन्हें छूने के लिए उधर जा रही थी और सेवादारों के द्वारा रोकने पर यह हादसा वहां पर घटित हुआ। इस पूरे मामले की जांच के लिए हम लोगों ने एडिशनल डीजी आगरा की अध्यक्षता में मंडलायुक्त अलीगढ़ को शामिल करते हुए एक टीम बना करके उन्हें अविलंब रिपोर्ट उपलब्ध कराने के लिए कहा है।
यूपी के हाथरस में जो भगदड़ हुई उसमें अनेकों लोगों की दुखद मृत्यु होने की जानकारी आ रही है। जिन लोगों की इस हादसे में जान गई है मैं उनके प्रति अपनी संवेदना व्यक्त करता हूं। मैं सभी घायलों के जल्द से जल्द ठीक होने की कामना करता हूं। राज्य सरकार की देखरेख में प्रशासन राहत और बचाव कार्य में जुटा हुआ है। केंद्र सरकार के वरिष्ठ उत्तर प्रदेश सरकार के लगातार संपर्क में है। मैं इस सदन के माध्यम से सभी को यह भरोसा देता हूं कि पीड़ितों की हर तरह से मदद की जाएगी।
हाथरस में बड़ी ट्रेजेडी हुई है। मैं सबको कंडोलेंसेस देता हूं और बहुत दुख का समय है। सरकार को लोगों की मदद करनी चाहिए सेंसिटिवली और सब परिवारों को जिन्होंने किसी को खोया मैं कंडोलेंसेस।
We have my colleague Vedant Agarwal joining us from the site where the stampede took place in Hathras. Vedant, according to the FIR that we have access, the permission was granted only for 80,000 people to gather at that event. Unfortunately, 2.5 lakh devotees attended this event. So, were the organizers aware of the kind of turnout that's going to take place, or were they caught unaware?
That's right, Divya. In fact, that's what local officials here also say, that they were expecting, about 75,000 to 80,000 people, and close to 2.5 lakh people ended up coming here. But let me show you visuals here. The morning after that absolutely horrific tragedy, and this particular ground where the congregation took place was really not fit to accommodate the number of people that showed up for the satsang. In fact, if I can ask my camera person to actually show you these visuals of footwear lying around, clothes, pieces of jewelry lying around here at this particular ground, because remember, most of them were women. Almost 106 of them out of the 116 who have now been declared dead were women. Almost 7 of them were children is what we are hearing. Of course, that number is likely to change as the process of identification of bodies is still underway at various government hospitals, including the Hathras District Hospital, very close to the stampede site. A lot of the injured were, of course, rushed to the trauma center nearby. But look at these visuals. Now, what the FIR also says is that, there was a crowd surge, and then the crowd essentially went out of control. But what we are also being told by witnesses here, eyewitnesses as well as local officials who were deployed at the spot, is that is because of the weather, the ground was extremely slippery, and a lot of people slipped and bodies sort of started piling atop each other. That is what also seems to be the case as far as this entire stampede is concerned. Now, a couple of important points here that the FIR also says, and also local officials here confirm, is that the crowds wanted to get a glimpse of the Baba as he began to leave. In fact, let me show you this particular road that you see right here. This was the exit point. This is where the Baba exited from, and the crowds started to rush towards his car, is what we are being told. And there seems to be some sort of a pratha apparently, and that is what followers of this particular Baba have told us, that they try to collect his pair ki dhool, as it were, as some sort of blessings of the Baba, and that seemed to have caused this entire stampede, because they started to rush towards the Baba's car. And given the fact that there's some sort of a ditch on the other side of the road, and if I can walk across the road as well, I'll come back to this particular site, but if I can walk across the road to give you a sense of what may have happened, the crowd start to rush towards the Baba's car, which exits from this particular road. And given the fact that there's a ditch across the road, many of the women and men devotees, they fell into that ditch, and the bodies started to pile atop each other. There you can see that particular ditch is what I'm talking about, and I'll try to cross the road. And these entire roads were completely blocked, Divya, given the fact that there were almost 2.5 lakh people who were present there for this particular congregation. These roads were blocked, and they started to rush towards the Baba. And this is a particular space, Divya, where a lot of the bodies were recovered from. In fact, there you can see this is a sort of a ditch here. And these are farmlands, and now of course you can see the forensic team present there as well, also the dog squad. If I can ask my camera person to zoom in and show you how the forensic team is, the state forensic team present there, sort of taking stock of the situation the morning after. But questions are also being raised on whether there was administrative preparedness, because a lot of the eyewitnesses say that there was only one exit point after the congregation concluded. In fact, the FIR also mentions this particular important point, that the organizers tried to block the devotees from using the second exit point, because the Baba was exiting from there. So that also seems to have exacerbated the situation. If I can ask my camera person to show you, this is the only exit point of the congregation venue. And that is what caused this entire stampede. In fact, what we're also being told, as per probe officials, is that most of the deaths were due to suffocation. Now that's also an important aspect, because of course there was overcrowding, there was crowd surge, bodies started to pile atop each other, and most of the women and men died because of suffocation. That seems to be the prima facie cause of the deaths. Let me try and cross the road again so I can show you the visuals of the actual venue. In fact, posters of the Baba also put up here, and he is nowhere to be found. In fact, a 2-member probe team has been formed by the UP government, including which is headed by a senior official from Agra, also includes a senior official from Aligarh. So the multiple aspects to probe actually, but if you look at the visuals here, the fact is that this ground was not fit to accommodate the number of people that showed up for this event. And